Hey love, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ampong, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to achieve a basic eyeshadow look. And the eyeshadow I'll be using is this NYX Ultimate Warm Neutrals palette. And this palette is very basic. It's got a lot of neutrals, perfect for beginners. So I'll be using the light, this medium and dark shades. And so if you're interested, let's zoom in and get started. Okay, that's good. So before we apply any eyeshadow, it's important to prep our eyelid, and I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is an important step to not skip because it will help the eyeshadow last all day, and also because we'll be using matte eyeshadows. So the concealer will be the base that the matte eyeshadow will stick to. And the next step is to apply my transition shade, and I'll be using this fluffy blending brush. I'll go in with this medium shade as my transition shade. So what I do is pick it up and dust off any excess. I'll apply right above my crease. So this is the crease. The crease is here where the fold is. So pat it. Okay, and then in a circular motion. Now I'll be using the darker shade in my crease. I'll be using this tapered brush. It's quite different from the blending brush. See, the blending brush is flat on the top, but it looks quite pointed. So I'll pat it on first, but I don't go all the way here. I stop in the middle. And go back with my blending brush to blend the transition shade with our crease shade. Okay, so more like blending the two together so that there's no harsh line. You don't see where each one starts from. So the transition shade blends into the crease shade. So next for the lid, I'll be using this light shade. I'll also use a flat brush to pack a lot on the brush and press it onto my eyelid. I don't bring it all the way here. I cover 3/4 of my eyelid. Okay. So go back with the dark color, which was the crease color, and the same crease brush, and blend the two together. Like that in the crease. And with this motion, so I'm blending this into this. I'm blending it into each other. Go back with my blending brush, the one I use for my transition shade, to blend everything together. To finish off the look, we will use a thin line of eyeliner along my upper lash line for extra definition. And I would recommend using a pen liner. If you make a mistake, you get your skin tone powder and your concealer brush, an angled brush like this. We use the powder to clean it out. I've got big and bright eyes, so I usually don't do too much when it comes to my eyes. I'll go in with a pencil liner for my lower lash line. So I'll be using this flat brush and connect the eye look together. I'll use the crease shade, which was the dark shade. Now curl your lashes and then apply mascara or lashes at this stage. Okay, so don't forget your bottom lashes. Let me quickly apply my lashes and I'll be back. If you decide to put on lashes, don't forget to blend your natural lash with the strip lash. And that's it. A super easy and simple 3-colored eyeshadow look, perfect for beginners. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel right here. Also, do check out this video here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.